Meaning of flatulent.
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 Flatulent. The term flatulent refers to a physical state of having excessive gas or air in the stomach or intestines, causing discomfort and bloating. This condition is commonly associated with poor digestion and can be caused by a range of factors, such as consuming gas-producing foods, swallowing air while eating, or underlying medical conditions. The symptoms of flatulence may include abdominal pain, belching, and passing wind frequently. To alleviate flatulence, it is recommended to avoid certain foods, chew food thoroughly, and exercise regularly. In some cases, medication or dietary changes may be necessary.